We fly to Toronto now. We're on the plane to go see Kenton's graduation. Now I have Curtis on my right, Dana on my left.
Do you mind it being here? Like, or do you prefer that? Or there's a booth up there? Oh yeah.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Where do I sit?
I'm gonna wash my hands. Let me see what they left. I'm gonna wash my hands.
We are eating at Kelsey's. So let's see.
Bandera bread.
Ooh, that looks good. 4 cheese spinach dip.
That's how I'm gonna get that.
Let's see. 4 cheese spinach dip. We're so hungry. This one too. Pork schnitzel, Roadhouse.
Yeah, you want to get a schnitzel? Go for it.
What do you guys think?
Yes, it looks good. Mushrooms too. Oh, you're talking to the camera?
What do you guys think?
I thought it was...
Yes, it looks good.
Kayla, what are you looking at?
She likes this one.
Lasagna with...
No, it's a 4 cheese spinach dip. This one?
Yeah.
Is that a appetizer? You're not on a real meal?
It's nice here. We have actually soccer. What is this one called? The drink? How did you see it?
Blue Ocean? Wait, no, it's not.
Cool drink.
Booze free.
Okay, try it. Booze free. Is it good?
Tastes like ocean.
He got his iced tea and I got my Pepsi, less ice. They don't have Fanta, but it's okay. So we're at Kelsey's waiting for our food. Dayla got her cheese dip with some bread, and I got pasta with blue cheese, Alfredo sauce, bruschetta, and beef skewer. Curtis got schnitzel, big schnitzel.
She's mostly excited for the bread.
Yes. So our food came, and that's what my food looks like. Alfredo pasta with blue cheese and garlic bread and beef, and that's the schnitzel with mushroom, gravy, potato, and veggies. And then they are still waiting for hers, and she's the hungriest. And hers is the easiest to make, and the last to come will be the freshest. Ooh, that looks so good. How's your drink? Good?
Really good. I'm saving.
I wish it was more blue like the picture, but this blue is nice too. Ooh, there's yours.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I think you need utensils.
Yeah, I do utensils.
That looks really good, Dayla.
Oh, wow.
I love it.
Really creamy.
Really creamy. Spinach dip with cheese. Yummy.
So
we just made it to our house in Whitby. Let me do a grocery haul. I think we need 2 more bags from downstairs. We got these chips. Crunchy Crocants cheddar jalapeno, and then Ruffles. It's the light. There you go. The light is a bit better here. Okay, this one too. Bagels. 2 bagels. We got some ice cream. This is almond and vanilla. Perfect. This is a heavy one. And we got this ice cream. This is strawberry cheesecake. Very good. Yes. I got my non-alcoholic drinks, mojitos. Mocktails mojito.
She doesn't drink alcohol.
I will let you know how good this is, but look how nice. It looks refreshing. We got some cheese pizza for Miss Dayla. This goes in the freezer. Yeah, I got this as snacks. The Cozy Shack Simply Well. I really love this. Rice pudding, and there's no sugar in it. Okay, then we got some margarine, good for sandwiches and for cooking eggs in the morning. We got some breakfast sausages. Thank you. I think they can go in the fridge. Those two. We got some cream cheese for bagels and some natural top dogs. These are healthy hot dogs. Okay, we still have to buy bread. That's one thing we didn't buy today. Only have bagels. 2% milk, 2 liters, And we also got some juice for Deva. Haven't had this, so I don't know how good this is. We'll see. It looks really nice.
Like not made of beetle.
Pink drinks. Yes.
Watch out for Cameron.
That's what it's called. I got some eggs. I better not drop them here. What else here? We got, this is the cereal that Dela really likes with her milk. Raisin Bran. These are bad soups. Not healthy, but just in case for me. Beef soups. We got some pita, Mediterranean herb flavor.
There's an air fryer, so we can use it for potato fries.
Good. Wow, we still have a lot in here. Ketchup, some mayo for tuna. And here's the tuna. It's really good. And blackberry spread for jam. We like grapes usually, but that one was too much jam for a week. And then I got this for the plane ride on the way home. Barbecue chips. Cheaper to buy at the store than airport, so they can stay here. And let's get to the last bag. Some bananas for the week. They look yummy. And Dela's the only one who likes sweet potatoes. We have that.
Wait, does it go in the freezer?
Yeah.
Where's the sauce?
Sandwich meat. This is the one we always eat. Healthier than all the other deli meats. Oranges. We love oranges. Whoa, these bags are quite not strong. Some oranges. And apples. We got 2 green apples. Sour apples. And then we got some red organic apples. And I think that's it. That's the food bowl for today. And then we got some beer for Curtis. And that's it. So let's do a house tour. Okay? That's the main entrance. You come up the stairs here. There's a bunch of stairs. So you have to be in really good shape. Then as you come up the stairs, we have a washroom in here. There's the washroom. So this is the kitchen area here with a dining area. And now we're gonna go on the second floor. This is the master bedroom?
Yes, that one is a room that is not like is this their room. They don't allow people, so it's just 2 bedrooms.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this bedroom is the master bedroom. Then this is the view. The master bathroom. Then we have here another bathroom, which is for the next bedroom. Oh, I like it. It looks really nice. And then here we have Dela's bedroom. So cozy. She's already hanging her stuff inside the closet, which is a good idea. And then she gets to have a different view, which is really nice. It's raining today outside. Well, it just started raining. So yeah, that's the house. This is a closet here with duvet covers, flat sheets, towels.
Oh, and they have a steamer, it seems like.
Steamer, which we need for our graduation clothes. And that's the tour of the house. It just opened a mojito. This is with no alcohol. And it's so good. It's sparkling. And it tastes like there's mint in it. Exactly like mojito with no alcohol. So if you like mojitos and you're not a big fan of alcohol, see right here. Non-alcoholic. I definitely recommend this. I have to find this in Calgary because these are really good. And it's only 60 calories. So, yeah.